There comes a moment in life when a person looks at himself and asks, "Am I truly the person I was meant to become? Where did the fire inside me go? When did my hunger fade? When did my strength weaken?" Every human being carries a spark, a force so powerful, so raw, so alive, yet most people never understand it. They waste it, they fear it, they misuse it, and then they wonder why they have no passion left, why confidence disappears, why ambition dies, why life feels empty. That spark is sex energy, the most misunderstood force in the world. It is not something dirty. It is not something shameful. It is not something to be suppressed. It is life force. The very energy that creates life is the same energy that creates genius, leadership, creativity, courage, and success. Most people use it the wrong way. They drain it. They waste it. They trade it for a few seconds of pleasure, not knowing they are throwing away the fire that could build their entire future. Sex energy does not weaken you. It strengthens you, if you know how to control it. It is like fire. Fire can cook your food or burn your house down. It depends on how you handle it. When sexual desire rises inside you, your heart beats faster, your body becomes charged, your mind becomes alert, your system becomes electrically alive. That is nature whispering, "Here is your power. What will you do with it?" Most people release it, a few people suppress it, but the rare ones, the top 1%, they transform it. They turn desire into ambition, energy into focus, fire into discipline, urges into strength. These are the people the world remembers. Others fade away. When you conserve and redirect sexual energy, your body begins to change. Your eyes become sharper and brighter, your skin glows, your face becomes more defined. Your presence becomes stronger, your voice becomes deeper, your confidence rises, your mind becomes sharper and more creative, your willpower strengthens, your discipline becomes unshakable. People begin to notice you without understanding why, because true attraction is not in the face or body. It is in the energy you carry. Great men throughout history knew this. Inventors, scientists, warriors, leaders, saints, creators, visionaries. They didn't waste their energy. They elevated it. They transformed it into creativity, innovation, strength, focus, and spiritual power. Sexual transmutation is not about killing desire. It is about owning it, not suppressing energy but lifting it, not feeling guilty for desire, but redirecting desire into greatness. When this energy rises, you feel more alive than ever. Suddenly, you want to work harder. You want to build something. You want to grow. You want to become more. Your mind becomes filled with ideas. Your heart becomes filled with purpose. Your spirit becomes filled with fire. This is the beginning of transformation. In the first 30 days, your face changes. In 60 days, your mind sharpens. In 90 days, your entire life shifts. The real test comes at night, when you're tired, alone, and your brain whispers, "Just once." No one will know. That moment decides your destiny. If you lose, your energy drains away, your drive fades, your fire disappears. But if you win, your brain learns that you are in control. Your willpower strengthens, your confidence multiplies, your discipline becomes solid. You begin to evolve into a stronger version of yourself. Every victory builds a warrior. Every defeat builds weakness. Your sexual energy becomes unstoppable when connected to a powerful purpose. When energy meets purpose, there is an explosion. Energy fuels the goal fuels the fire fuels discipline, discipline fuels results, results create respect, and respect leads to self-belief. Once you begin to respect yourself, you stop wasting your power. You stop lowering your standards. You stop living small. You step into a higher level of life. Sex energy is not your enemy. It is your greatest weapon. If you waste it, you shrink. If you control it, you rise. If you master it, you become extraordinary. Inside, you live a version that is fearless, focused, strong, disciplined, magnetic, and powerful. That version is waiting to be awakened. It wakes up each time you control desire. It grows stronger each time you choose discipline over weakness. It rises higher each time you redirect energy into something meaningful. One day, that version will fully awaken. And when it does, you won't just change, your entire destiny will change. You are not weak. You were never weak. Life made you believe that. Your habits made you forget your strength. But the power is still inside you. The fire is still burning. The potential is still alive. Do not waste your energy. Do not throw away your fire. Use it. Rise with it. Transform it. Let it shape you into the person you were destined to be. Because in this world, there are two kinds of men: those who are controlled by their desires, and those whose energy controls the world. You must decide who you will become. The power is yours. The fire is yours. The destiny is yours. Unleash the legend within you.